Hi guys, thank you for reaching out to Dynamic Customs. My name is Chico. I'm the co-founder of Dynamic Custom, this amazing family business. The reason for this video is basically to introduce you to our services and also to set the expectations for the price range of packages. Our first service is ceramic coating, which is a nano liquid that we apply on the body of the vehicle to protect it from all natural elements such as raindrops, watermarks, oxidation. It also makes it very easy for you to clean, and it keeps it shiny at all time. The second product will be PPF, which stands for Paint Protection Film. It's an 8.5 mil film that we install on the body of the car, and it protects the car from scratches, swirl marks, rock chips, and it makes it also very easy for you to clean, and it stays shiny at all times. The third product will be window tint. Fourth product will be our car wrapping service. The price range for the ceramic coating starts from $450 all the way up to $1,800. The PPF packages starts from $850 all the way up to $8,000, depending on which parts of the car that you want to protect. If only full front or a full body. Car wrapping is basically changing the color of your vehicle, and this starts with $2,500 all the way up to $6,000. All our product line comes with warranty from 1 year all the way up to 10 years warranty, because we are certified installers for whatever brand that we'll be using on your vehicle. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you. Have a great day.